Yeah, right now we actually had to move from that pavilion that we were under for a while to the other side of a bathroom that has more concrete barrier. And this is actually what you're seeing right now. I'm standing in this floodwater, but there's actually a break in the wind from where I'm standing right now. So the wind that you see hitting me right now is not the full strength of Francine's eye wall. I'm gonna step over just for 1 second so you can see the power of Francine, and then we're gonna go back to the safety of behind our concrete barrier. So this is what that wind is going to be looking like as she's coming through here on Lake Palourde. So we're going to go back this way here. And now that I can talk to you a little bit more safely, you can look out here and see almost a whiteout. You can still see the lake here and just the powerful waves that are pushing in. Remember when I told you that there was just a little bit of a lake left? Well, or a little bit of beach left? Well, there's no beach left, and it's actually about to breach that little tiny levee on this beach here, and we've already seen the flooding begin over here. So we're monitoring this whole situation, and as soon as that water breaches that wall, we are out of here as soon as we can. But I'm going to bring you this way a little bit just to show you some of the tree damage that we've been watching as well. So we're going to kind of stop here so I don't enter into that wind again. But you can see over here what that wind has done to the trees, obviously snapping some of them in half. There's also been just large branches that have been put on here. Now there's more tree damage to the other side where we were before, but like I said, we just kind of had to move from there. Wind was moving straight through that pavilion at a very high rate of speed. Obviously, you can see right here, this is what was going through that pavilion while we were there. So if this gives you any idea of what's going on, that's why we decided to come over here. Just a concrete barrier that we can stay behind as those gusts come, because they certainly haven't really let up just yet where we are at the lake. Back to you guys.